Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing the third segment to my Harry Potter series, which is going to be Slytherin. And I have a new wig that I'm going to be, well, that I bought specifically for this look, and I'm really excited because it's really pretty. I got it on Amazon for like $15 and it's really exciting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Again, all of these looks are kind of just simpler looks that I can do, just because, as you guys know, I'm just starting out with makeup and I don't really know how to do all of the crazy things like cut creases and all of that stuff yet. So if that's the type of look you're looking for, this may not be the video for you. But if you guys are just looking for how to get a green Slytherin look, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I am going to do is I keep all of my brushes in my little butterfly bag I got from Ipsy. So I'm just going to take them all out. And I am going to prime my face. The first thing that I'm going to prime my face with is Cover FX's Blurring Primer and Too Faced's Hangover Primer, which I always do. So I'm just taking a little bit of Cover FX, and I just kind of put it in the spots that I need blurred the most. Then I take my Hangover Primer. I usually just do one pump back of my hand. And then I just focus that underneath my eyes and on my eyelids. So the next thing that I like to do is I like to take some of my Renew cream, and I just like to get my hands nice and moisturized and just use the rest, the extra that I have on my hands, just all over my face. Just get some extra moisture underneath my eyes. And yeah, now I just have to let it dry for a couple seconds, and then I can start the makeup. I do have a new eyeshadow to play with today. It's this pretty green one that I'm going to use in the crease of my eye because it is a very light color. And then I am going to be moving on to using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to focus with all of the pretty greens and make a dark, smoked out Slytherin look, because Slytherins are like the evil side of the Harry Potter world. Like Voldemort was a Slytherin, Salazar Slytherin is the founder of the House of Slytherin, and they are just like the bad ones. Like it's not to say that every single person that gets put into Slytherin is bad and evil, it's just you find that they're a little bit more cunning, and if they want to get something done, they don't care who they push around or push out of the way or hurt to get what they want done. So they're kind of the bad ones. Whereas like the Hufflepuffs are like they're very laid back. Gryffindors are very headstrong and go in and want to help everybody. And then the Ravenclaws are like, well, let's think about this first before we just rush into. So this was Slytherin. So I am going to start off with using my E2 brush from ColourPop. I have 3 of them. I have a E1 brush and 2 E2 brushes. So I'm going to use my E2 brush, and I'm just going to get some of that, because this is from yesterday when I did the Ravenclaw. I'm just going to take some of that off. I think it is mostly just stained. Yeah, we good. Taking my Ofra palette with my little magnetic green, I'm just going to go into that green. And it is a color little magnetic eyeshadow just from NYX, so I will link everything, all the products that I use that I've mentioned in here down below. And it is gorgeous. I'll just zoom you guys in a little bit. It is this gorgeous green color, and it has like that shimmer to it. Do you guys see? It is absolutely gorgeous, and I love NYX's eyeshadows. So I'm just going to go quickly do the other side, and I'll be right back. So now that both sides are done, I'm going to be taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be taking just my N15 Slimmest Glam brush, just the one that I got in my Ipsy bag, and we're going to go into this bright green color right here. And then we're going to go into this darker green color right here. And we're just going to put that right over top of that green. So I'm just going going back in between this color and this color just to make the green more pigmented and stand out more. And then I'm going to go into this darker turquoise color right here and just go over top and make it even more deeper and greener. So it looks something like this. And I'm just going to go quickly do the other side just to match it. So now that I got both sides matched and a lot of fallout on this side, I'm going to be taking my the Vintage Cosmetics brush, the step 2 for the shadow, and I'm going to be going into this black right here, tapping it off and mixing some green into it and tapping it off, and some of that green into it and tapping it off. And then I'm just going to go into the inner corners. Or sorry, the outer corners. I always say inner corners and it's always the outer corners. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm going to go into the outer corner and bring it into my crease. And I'm just going to work this pigment deeper and to make it darker and more smoked out. You want to go into this with like a slower step. You don't want to go in with just straight black in right away and then make it so that it's not blendable. You want to just go in slowly at a time. So I'm going to take more of the black, more of the green, and more of the teal, and just build that color up. And then once it looks something like that, you want to just go back in with your blender brush and a little bit of the green and the teal, these two colors, and just blend it all together in the crease and around where you put the black. So it looks something like that. Then I like to just go in with a little bit more black and a little bit more teal and just make it even more deep. Just in like a circular motion, and then again blend it all together. So you're left with something like this. So I will zoom in. So you'll throw something like that. And then once you have something like this, I'm just going to go quickly in and do the other side, and so then we can move on. Now I'm going to go back in with another blender brush. So I'm using my E1 by ColourPop. It's a tapered blender brush, and I'm just going to go back into my very first color that I put on, which was in my crease, which was this green. And I'm just going to go back into where I originally put it on my crease. And now this is where I would take my makeup remover and a cotton round. And then sometimes I also take a Q-tip and I just stick it into my makeup remover bottle, and I just go over some of the areas that are too high for my liking. So you get that really nice, it'll come in. So you get that really nice sharp line that goes all the way up and on the sides, and that's just how I do it. So now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna have to blend this one a little bit more. So I am just going to take my blender brush and just blend it out more. Now I'm just gonna go quickly go in and do the rest of my face makeup, and once that's done I will come back and finish the eyes with you. Okay, so now that my face is all done and ready for my under eyes, I am going to take my the Vintage Cosmetics. This is the First Step brush. This is just like the little eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to take my NYX palette. Just gonna go into it, get a lot on my brush, tap it off, and just go under my waterline. And once both of my eyes are lined like that, I'm gonna go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take this green color right here and this shimmery greeny color and just go over top of that color. Now I wish I had a NYX pigment like I did for the Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff one, but unfortunately I couldn't find one. I'm an hour away in the country, so I couldn't get to a NYX store yesterday. But that being said, I think this look still turned out really pretty. So now I'm just taking some of the green and just putting it in the outer corner. And doing the same on this side. And then I'm going to take my blender brush, go into that bright green, and just blend it in. And now I am going to take my eyeliner, and I am going to tightline my waterline really quickly. And then I am going to do a winged eyeliner. The last time I tried to do it just with my setup, because I am setting up a makeup vanity and I'm going to be filming in that room over there. It'll just be easier than in here because my bathroom is very, very tight and very crowded. Like, it's very small, but this is the best spot that I can do makeups because I have my mirror here and stuff. So I'm just going to quickly do my eyeliner and I will be right back. Okay, so now that the eyes are completely done, I really want to show you guys the wig that I purchased off of Amazon, and I am going to, oh, well, I guess I should tell you what I did because I was off camera. I just quickly did a wing, so I will zoom you guys in so you guys can see. Look at all my lines! Ah, I love this camera. So I just quickly did a wing. It's not the best wing in the world, but I'm getting better and I'm really excited about that. So I just did a quick little wing and I put some falsies on. I use falsies from the Walmart, like I get 5, and they are from the brand Kiss, and Kiss Cosmetics is on Instagram, and sorry, I'm out of focus. Kiss Cosmetics is on Instagram, so go give them a follow. I really love these lashes. They're really, really easy to put on, and they fit my eye shape perfectly. Like, I don't ever have to trim them, and it's really, really awesome. So, with that being said, I am going to, my hair is still wet from my shower this morning, but I am going to put my wig cap on, so let me just grab it. So this is my wig that I got off Amazon. It's this beautiful forest green with this black root. I will link this wig cap down below, but if you have a smaller head, this wig cap probably won't, or if you have a bigger head, this wig cap probably won't fit. Like, I'm struggling, and I have a normal sized head, and I'm finding that I'm not getting it on fully. Like, I'm not getting all of my hair tucked underneath it as much as I usually would be able to, but that's okay. So this is the wig. So I'm just gonna run and grab my toque, just because I like wearing toques with wigs. I find that they look more realistic when you have a hat on, so I'm just going to throw my toque on. So this is my Slytherin look. So, last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lipstick on. So, I say so a lot. fuck. I say a lot of things a lot. So I have Jeffree Star Crocodile Tears, and I have Baby Bat Beauty Raven. So I'm going to start with Raven, and then we're going to put some Crocodile Tears right in the center. Being that Slytherins are more of the evil ones, I could probably get away with just wearing black lipstick for this look, but I really want to throw in some green, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some of Jeffree Star's Crocodile Tears. throw it right in the center. You can't really see it on camera. So I am going to take some of my green shadow and a little eyeshadow brush. Just go into that really bright green. Like if I had a pigment from NYX, you would see the green a lot more, but because I don't and I'm just using regular shadows and not a pigment, it's just kind of subtle, but that's okay. I made a mistake right there though, so I'm going to clean that up so it looks like that. So this was my finished Slytherin look. So I have my green and black wig, I got my green and black eyeshadow, and I got my green and black lips. So this was a very simple makeup look, but if you are going to like Comic-Con, or if you're going to a party where you need to be a Harry Potter character, because a lot of my friends like to throw Harry Potter themed parties, it's so much fun and like I love it. But if you're ever going to a Harry Potter themed party or just an event and you wanted to dress like a Slytherin, this is a really easy makeup look to do for somebody that is just learning or starting out. Like it's very, very easy. I know it looks, I don't want to freaking toot my own horn here, but this looks really freaking good. I'm really impressed with how this turned out. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It looks absolutely beautiful. Of course, there's going to be things in the future that I'll want to touch up or switch or change as I get better at doing makeup, but I mean, for the time being, this look looks amazing. You could always darken your eyebrows if you wanted to match the root of your wig or your natural hair color. This is just my natural hair color, and I'm not gonna darken it because that's okay. For now, I don't really mind, but for the time being, like, you guys can darken them. But yeah, guys, this was the Slytherin makeup look for my Harry Potter series, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are not yet subscribed to me, please do hit that button. There is a giveaway contest that is already rolling, and it's been on for about a week now on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me, I will link all of my social medias down below for you guys, and go find the contest, the giveaway contest, and enter. It's really easy. All you guys gotta be doing is be following me on Instagram, like the photo, and be subscribed to me on YouTube, and you guys are entered to win this really, really awesome giveaway makeup bundle that I put together for you guys. If you guys like the color pink, go find my giveaway, because it is full of pink stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. Bye!